Latest research and development. 1. Study debunks major myth: AI's energy usage is significantly less than feared. Energy consumption in the US is changing how people perceive the environmental risks associated with AI. 2. What really killed the mammoths? New evidence points to exploding comet 13,000 years ago. Evidence from key archaeological sites suggests a major cosmic explosion may have reshaped the climate and ecosystems of the late Pleistocene. 3. MIT ultrasonic device shakes drinking water out of thin air. MIT engineers have developed an ultrasonic device that rapidly releases water from sorbent materials used in atmospheric harvesting. 4. This red dwarf just launched a planet-killing blast into space. Astronomers have, for the first time, confirmed a colossal coronal mass ejection from a distant star, a blast so powerful it could strip the atmosphere from any nearby planet. 5. Mars was habitable for far longer than we thought, new study reveals. Researchers at NYU Abu Dhabi have uncovered evidence that water once flowed beneath Martian sand dunes, suggesting that the red planet may have once had conditions capable of supporting life. 6. Future moon base. Robots explore lava tubes as shelter for astronauts. A research team from the Space Robotics Laboratory at the University of Malaga, involved in the project, is testing and validating 3 robots on the volcanic island of Lanzarote, Spain. 7. Fuse 3 hits gigapascal plasma in fusion energy milestone. Zap Energy's FUZE3 device has reached gigapascal level plasma pressures thanks to a novel design that independently tunes acceleration and compression. 8. Scientists grow a tiny human blood factory in the lab. Scientists have engineered the first fully human-made bone marrow system, recreating the complex mix of cells, vessels, and nerves that normally live deep within our bones. 9. Underwater robot, Lassie, finds thousands of icefish nests beneath Antarctic ice. When the massive A68 iceberg carved from the Larsen C ice shelf, it exposed a hidden world beneath the Antarctic ice. 10. Evolution is not neutral. New study challenges 60-year biology theory. New research challenges the long-standing idea that most fixed genetic mutations are neutral. 11. Scientists uncover cancer-causing chemicals in common foods. The study uses an advanced Quacher's GCMS detection method to uncover hidden carcinogens in cooking oils and meats. 12. Scientists discover highly energetic water hiding in plain sight. Water behaves differently when trapped in microscopic spaces instead of flowing freely. Researchers have shown that this confined water becomes highly energetic, influencing how molecules bind together. 13. A 180-year assumption about light was just proven wrong. New research shows that the magnetic part of light actively shapes how light interacts with matter, challenging a 180-year-old belief. Thanks for watching this video.